Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot install or update gaming services in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what you want to do is click on search and then search for date and time settings. Here it is here. And then from here we need to make sure our time zone is correct where you're living. So I'm in Adelaide, so that is correct. And make sure set time automatically is toggled on, set time zone automatically. So when you do set time zone automatically, it should be set to where you are. But if you've got any VPNs or anything like that running in the background, that might play a part. So I suggest turning off any VPNs. And then from here where it says additional settings, we want to go ahead and click on sync now. And now once that is done, we want to go back to search and type in check for updates. Here it is here. So click on check for updates. Then where it says here, check for updates. So go ahead and click onto that button. Now that's going to go ahead and check for any Windows updates. If there is any updates, go ahead and update your computer because we need to make sure our computer is fully up to date. Now for the next step after that, we need to click on search and type in Windows PowerShell and click into Windows PowerShell. But we need to make sure to run it as administrator too. So yeah, make sure to run it as administrator. And then from here, we need to put this command in like so. I'm going to leave it in the description. And then hit enter. And then wait for this page to load. Alright, so if it glitches out, just go ahead and copy and paste it in again, then hit enter. And then you'll be taken to this gaming services. Go ahead and click on get to download and install it. And then that's going to fix your cannot install or update gaming services in Windows 10 or 11.